The Hadzabe are about to step into a risky hunt. One wrong move, a shift in the wind, and the opportunity could vanish in an instant. Hunting is never easy. As the first rays of sunlight hit the savin, the Hadzabe were ready, eyes fixed on every movement around them. The sharp-eyed hunter spotted the first antelope, hearts racing, each step carefully calculated, fully blending with nature. But just as they were about to approach, the antelope leapt, dashed through the tall grass, and disappeared. The group sighed, their hearts both tense and excited. The first opportunity had slipped away. Before they could catch their breath, a small wild boar appeared. The Hadzabe silently approached, eyes scanning every motion. But the wind shifted, and the wary boar slipped through the bushes and vanished. They barely had time to blink, and the second opportunity was gone. The pace was fast, the tension high, every minute, every second was a challenge, and nature never makes it easy. Even when they spotted a kudu, a seemingly perfect opportunity, the hunters had to pause, hold their breath, and observe carefully. The clever prey forced them to adjust tactics, move slowly, account for the wind, and coordinate seamlessly. Every step, every breath had to be measured so as not to startle the animal. Despite multiple misses, the group maintained absolute respect for nature. They didn't disturb the environment, didn't chase the prey recklessly, but observed, learned, and prepared for the next chance. Every failure was a heartbeat of suspense, a lesson, and an essential part of Hadzabe hunting life. Do you dare step into the savin and experience the thrilling hunt like the Hadzabe? Comment your feelings below. After the tense moments of missed prey, the Hadzabe did not get discouraged. Look for other food sources in the forest and savin, from wild fruits and leafy greens to various seeds and natural herbs. from a moving leaf to a shadow of a bird on a branch. The hunting team coordinated smoothly. The elders guided the younger ones on how to identify safe foods, select ripe fruits, and recognize nutritious wild greens. The children learned not only life skills but also respect for nature, understanding that every item taken from the forest must be considered carefully to avoid harming the environment. To avoid disturbing wildlife. The earlier tension now blended with the excitement of discovery, each moment bringing a sense of joy and vibrant energy. Once they had collected enough ingredients, the Hadzabe returned to the village with a feeling of satisfaction, not just because they found food, but also because their connection with nature and community was strengthened. These simple yet sustainable and nutritious food sources would become a valuable meal for the whole community, a reminder that today's failure does not lessen the value of experience and patience. If you think the Hadzabe's respect for nature is amazing, give this video a like. When the Hadzabe returned to the village with the fruits, forest vegetables, and seeds they had collected, the surroundings immediately filled with laughter and joy. Everyone quickly divided the ingredients, prepared the meal together, and shared the thrilling stories from today's foraging. The atmosphere was both lively and warm, reminding everyone that each meal is the result of community spirit and collective effort. They handled and prepared the ingredients carefully, picking, washing, cutting, and cooking them in large traditional pots. Every step was carried out in an environmentally friendly way, avoiding waste and respecting the natural resources provided by the forest. The aromas rising from the cooking pots mixed with the smoke from the fire, creating an atmosphere both joyful and intimate, bringing the whole village to life. Today's meal nourished not only the body but also the spirit. Laughter, bright eyes, and shared stories made everyone feel closer, highlighting the value of cooperation, patience, and gratitude toward nature.
Sweet like KFC and McDonald's chicken. Hapo Dubai.
Each portion of food reminded them that every resource from the forest is precious and should be used sustainably. They talked and reflected on the day, the exciting moments, and the joy of finding alternative food sources. They understood that failure in hunting did not diminish the value of experience and every moment, from hunting to the meal, is a testament to living in harmony with nature and the strength of the community. Don't forget to subscribe.